don't want a lot for Christmas.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Tin Chocolate, and I'm here another banger for you guys. Somebody telling me say, oh my god, that'll come right this song. So guys, today's video is going to be about would I rather, yes or no, period. So it's basically coming from a subscriber, Shante. It's a suggestion, period. So let's get it, guys. Okay, number one, let's get it.
Would you rather have an incredible, annoying, high-pitched voice or a really deep, manly voice?
Like have a really deep manly voice or a high-pitched voice. Well, basically, I have a high-pitched voice sometimes.
Annoying.
But it's sometimes annoying. Like people have said, stop being like a baby. So I rather have the annoying voice than a manly voice because boys not gonna really want you. Like, you know, I say, oh my god, I'm dating a man. So no, high pitched.
Would you rather have a full-blown mustache for a year or permanently hairy legs for 10 years?
Come again, say it again.
Would you rather have a full-blown mustache for a year or permanently hairy legs for 10 years?
Well, I would go with the mustache because I know I could get famous with that mustache. People gonna say, "I'm the girl with the mustache shot," and I can just just do something on the social media platform and blow up. Cause people like foolishness. So mustache for me.
Anyways, would you rather accidentally send a naughty pic to your dad or your boss?
My boss! Guys, definitely my boss. Like my dad, really. Like that picture, like if me I said it, it's going to be totally naughty bad. So my boss. Like, I know him gonna fire me after, period. Come, let's go, let's get it, guys. Oi!
Would you rather say your ex name during sex or your partner's best friend's name?
Oh shit! Like, you're in the mood with your partner and you shit. Alright, let's say my ex. And I say my ex because suppose him don't know my ex name. He never say he know my ex name. So suppose he never know my ex name, he must say, what's name that I say? I'm a nephew name, my nephew middle name or something. Girls, they need to be on your game because these niggas be on their game. Shouldn't be tweaking, you should be slacking. Period. Slack. I'm crazy. Could never be best friend because you know him best friend, you must say something funny or so. So definitely.
Ready?
Sure.
Would you rather have no sense of smell or no sense of taste?
No sense of smell because I want to taste the food. Like, that's all me eat for. That's what just taste like the lost of the food. But I know, like, yeah, I wouldn't want to smell these foul odors in the air. Like, period. Like, no. Go ahead.
Would you rather have your partner's name tattooed on your forehead or have no front teeth?
Two front teeth?
No front teeth. None.
I already don't have one. So, well, me not tattoo no man. Me's a yamed, but me's not a yamabella. I am a yamed, but I am not a yamabella. That is for sure. Me not tattoo no man name on my forehead. Cause me know so me can get teeth. Go viral on social media and get some teeth in my mouth. So, no, I'm not a yamabella. Go ahead.
Would you rather know how you die or know when you die?
When?
Why when?
Why when? Because I could live my life enough before that date, because sometimes our deaths may be so tragic that we might fret about it. So I'd rather know so I'm gonna die tomorrow instead.
Would you rather find your passion or the love of your life?
No, the love of... Wait! Wait! my passion. Money before a nigga, because I find passion, that means I can excel upon that thing, right? So that's money. Love of my life can stay until him find me. Him can't find me. Passion.
Would you rather be stuck on an island for eternity all on your own or with somebody you hate? Yeah, the girl.
All by myself. I don't think, I'm a Libra. I don't think we operate properly by ourselves. Even though we can be antisocial at times, we don't operate. We are not our full selves by ourselves. So maybe I could make amends with the person that I hate. Like, what them could I ever do myself? Take my man. Go ahead.
Would you rather sleep with someone on the first date or wait for 6 months? So was the boy nice and tipsy first date or you wait for 6 months? And you hear the girl them say, yo, it good.
It good?
It good.
It good, people. I'm not sure. Like, if I'm not sure. Like, the right thing to do is just wait until 6 months. But love at first sight is something that is most underrated, because there are a lot of persons who experience love at first sight. So maybe it can happen in the first day, or maybe I'll just wait for 6 months. But most likely, if I feel like this is right, get the boy, make the boy mad out. Get the boy, make the boy mad out. Right there, so look, hear me on the internet. Anyway, yes, go on.
Would you rather have unbelievable sex that lasts for 10 minutes or average sex that lasts an hour? 10 minutes?
10 minutes? I get to get an orgasm?
Everything.
10 minutes. Like,
1 hour.
Like, yeah, I don't really know about this shit, but I'm saying, like, people that say they have niggas that don't, that them can, but that them have the length, but them can't work it. So let's imagine a nigga that have the length but cannot work it, and that's a work it for 1 hour. That is a no orgasm. You know, come here, don't. So just get a look at 10 minutes and just go sleep. Yeah, little girl that brought me out, you know. Go ahead.
Would you rather be dominant or be dominated?
People, I am submissive. Why is this girl? I'm submissive.
Talk up louder, we can't hear you.
I don't know, but something sexy about the boy being the dominant person. I don't know. You have a lot of persons, lots of women are going to say no, they want to be dominant, but personally, I like when that boy step up and say, yeah, I'm the man. Like, save me now. Okay.
Would you rather have your hair pulled or your back scratched?
Back scratched?
Yeah, you scratch up your back. Instead of you are scratching your back?
Oh no, definitely my hair pulled. Girl, it's kids content. Behave.
Anyways, move on. Would you rather your partner be kinky or romantic?
What do you mean by kinky?
Kinky.
Kinky like he's nasty? Nasty? Like the world is evolving, so I don't know, like a mix of both, but Jamaican men don't want to be that kinky, but I would like a mix of both, but typical Jamaican man not gonna want to do certain things, so I'll just stay with romantic.
Would you rather give up sex or give up food?
I definitely give up sex. Like, who gives up food? Like, who does that? Like, if 2 + 2 is 4, this equation is wrong.
Would you rather be funny but really stupid or boring but really smart?
I'd rather be, oh shit, like, you can make money being funny, and you can make money being smart. But it's when you're funny but you're dumb, you're going to be vulnerable in that you're going to be ridiculed. So I'd rather be weird and smart.
Sure.
Yeah. Last question.
Last question.
Yeah, and it has to be a spicy ass question. Purr.
Would you rather swallow or spit?
Ah! Swallow or spit what?
You know what I'm talking about.
Water?
People want to know.
If it's water, I'm going to swallow water. Water is good for you. Bye.